Hi, Mary Ginger here. Today I am sharing with you my Plan With Me Telling Time unit. This is the first time I've done a Plan With Me, so I hope you enjoy. Please remember to comment, like, hit the share and subscribe button, and that bell in the corner if you like what you see and you want to see more. But let's get right into this video. These are the resources that I have for telling time. The learning clock, and it has this little clock here. I have the My First Book of Time. So we'll definitely go through this book, probably start from the beginning and just go through Disney Learning, Time and Money. And we're not doing the money part, just the time. So we will just focus on that. The last resource I have is Take It to Your Seat Centers. And there is a clock unit back here, telling time. This is for the first grade, for Math 1, Grade 1. And I'll just photocopy these on cardstock, and I will have her put them together. Perfect, so that's great. Love it. I actually made these inspired by something I saw on Pinterest maybe, I'm not sure. And let's see, I did a big outline and then I just wrote in by fives. So I thought this would be super helpful for counting the clocks. Like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, based on clocks. So I think that will be perfect. She already knows her 10s to 100. That's why I went all the way up to 290 on this one. And then I made this sheet here because I've noticed she has a hard time reading the digital clocks. So I found a font that looked like a digital clock. And now she's just gonna match. And I made that, and I can make another one if I need one, or just reprint it another day. And then this one was a project I wanted to do. I didn't make this one, I found this one somewhere. And I was gonna have her color each slice of the pie at some point. And I think we'll probably do like when the sun comes up. So maybe we'll do like at 6 a.m. it's starting to get light blue, but before that it's dark, 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 dark. And then maybe it'll go from blue to like yellow here, and then maybe up to here it will be like oranges, and then dark, 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 dark. Yeah, just so she can kind of visualize that there are 2 12s in each day and that there's 24 hours in each day. That's something that she needs to work on, or that we need to work on, because this is telling time. I do want to start with the My First Book of Time. So I usually do it by day, so I'll put like day 1, and then I'll put My First Book of Time. And I'll probably abbreviate that the next time. And then I'll just say pages I think we'll probably do a bunch of the pages at the beginning, because it seems like a good idea just to do a bunch of pages. So it starts at 6, so we'll write 6. Oh, we can make a calendar. So maybe we'll do 6 through 9, and the craft will be make a calendar. Yeah, that sounds perfect. I love that. So day 1, we've just got this, and we've got make a calendar, and we probably will save this for another day because we have our craft for that day. But I do need to, notes to self, I need to find a counting by 5 song. My First Book of Time, pages 6 through 9, will make a calendar, and we will sing our counting by 5 song. Now, day 2, maybe we will do this one. And we'll start with page 10. So M, F, B, T, pages 10 through, let's see, well, I think we'll probably go through 13, 10 through 13. 10 through 13, and then we need well, we're definitely going to sing. And then, you know what? We are going to do this. We're going to color our, and I'll just put D2, so I know that's day 2. Color 24-hour wedges. And that's day 2. All right, so day 3. So now we're introducing the actual look at the clocks. And of course you don't have to use the same book that I'm using. You can do this with any book. I just am breaking it up based on what I think we can handle per day for this unit study. So this is going to be World of Clocks. I don't know if we should do the practicality of this one yet, so maybe we'll just do pages 14 through 15. And then I kind of want to switch to this book because this book is a little more, I don't know, it seems a little more cutesy and fun. So I think we'll do that one, and then we'll play with this one. But instead of, maybe, say this is what unit study planning is all about, trying to make decisions. Actually, maybe we'll keep this book. And then instead of jumping to page 16, we'll just go jump to the clock. Here. We'll just jump to the clock here, and she can just quiz me. She can just learn about the small hand and the long hand and just put it somewhere, and then I will tell her the answer. And she'll quiz me because I know she loves, oh my gosh, she loves doing that kind of thing. And I'm sure most kids do. They love it when you take the heat off of them and they put it on you. Yeah, so I think that's what we're going to do on that day. So day 3, she's going to quiz me using the clock at the back. We might not do a craft every day. I might find a printable of a clock and have her color it. Maybe, I do have Brad's. She can make her own clock using a paper plate and a brad. Make your own clock. Paper plate plus brad. I have some cardstock too. I like to put the materials I'm gonna need on my day-to-day so that I know what I need. All right, day 4. Oh, I love it. Look at this. I can do day 4, we can do 16 and 17, and then we can do my worksheet here because it's all about times, and I have this lovely worksheet that I made. Wonderful! Then a digital clock worksheet. Perfect. So now I'm just gonna put a D4 up here. That keeps track of when I'm using it. So let's do day 5. Do people actually say half past? Maybe that's a regional thing, but I always say 30. I've heard, you know, half past a freckle, and I've heard quarter till. So yeah, this will have to be pulled out, so I'll just put take it to your seat project. So we're still doing the MFBT pages. Probably 2 pages are fine. Oh, she's making a mask and they're trying to see how long it takes. That's neat. Okay, so we'll do pages 18 through 19, and then we'll do Take It to Your Seat. And we're gonna sing by 5s again. And then day 6. I think you're kind of getting the idea of how I'm doing this. And honestly, when you're working one-on-one, if you have on only, you really can tell if they're progressing, so you don't really need to constantly test, because you know what they need to work on, and if you don't, well, then listen to their cues. They will tell you exactly what they need to work on and what they don't need to work on. So now I'm just filling in the next days because I'm pretty sure that it's just going to be standard through the rest of that book. And then once we're done with that book, I'll flip over and we'll start doing the learning clock. And then we will go on to, this one will be last. I might even just photocopy this one, because this one I do not expect her to be, I expect this one will be hard. Oh, she can do this one. She can do this one. She could do those 2 now. Yeah, that's not too hard. Not too hard once she knows what she's doing. This reading part, I have a feeling, might be difficult. But again, they may surprise you. Yeah. Oh, okay, so that's not too hard. It's AM and PMs, okay. Yeah, wow, there's a lot. Very cool. So this will have to be broken up too. I am not. She'll just do these in pencil, and that way we can erase if she makes a mistake. I might as well show you. I did just throw down a day 8 down here. Same stuff. Now I'm just gonna do 26 through 27, so day 9. And then maybe we'll take it outside, do chalk drawings maybe. Ah, that is not how you spell chalk. Alright, so we'll do chalk, drawings. Maybe we'll do clocks, hopscotch by 5. Hopscotch by 5s. And sing. That'll give her a nice little break because that's been a lot of no crafts. Day 10, MFBT, pages 28 through 29. We will go outside, try make a sundial. That sounds super fun. Day 11 is going to be MFBT. I forgot my P. Pages. Let's see. 30 through 31. Make a water clock. And also take it to your seat. And sing also. I forgot to put sing. Now we're switching books. So day 12, we're gonna switch to the learning clock. We can probably get through the whole book in one day, but we're gonna split it into 2 days. So I'll just put first half and then make a candle clock. Take it to your seat. She's gonna get so bored of doing the take it to your seat. And sing. But I'll know if she can do it or not, certainly by day 12, because she's had so much repetitiveness of it that she should know if she can do it or not. And if she can, we'll just switch and start this sooner. And I can always make more worksheets to focus on the skills that she needs. Maybe we'll do another little quiz mom and sing. And then day 14, we're really just going to focus on this book here. Maybe we'll leave that blank, the pages, and maybe we'll intersperse depending on how she's doing on the take it to your seat, because she might have that mastered. She's been doing it 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. So that's it, really. Just finish off the time and money book. Dare I write it down? Creativity is contagious. Pass it on.